Okay guys, sorry if it's a little bit messy in here. This is a video I'm going to be making of the furniture in my room, which I will be replacing with a new one. It's probably going to take a month or two to get the furniture. I'm already saving up for the furniture. The shelves and the desk, you probably recognize them from, I would say it's probably the original furniture that was in the old house, in the old room. It pretty much first started when I lived in the room, which was Max's room at the time. And I got the big room, which was the guest room. So I'm probably gonna sell them. Hopefully I'll keep these lights. I will love these lights. I could definitely use them. I'll have to see if my parents can let me keep the lights. I know, sloppy, because it's ever since we moved, it's an unorganized situation. The computer's downstairs. Pretty much all the TV's in the worst place. I know. And then you got my bed with the ghetto Carrie Underwood pillow on there emoji. Now the bed is actually gonna be put into the basement. There's a spare room in the basement. I don't know about this thing. I think maybe it's gonna be sold as well. I think we're gonna be replacing that. Last but not least, the dresser. This dresser has been in my life since I was a baby. I don't know if I don't even know if this is gonna be staying either. It's a good dresser. Now I'm not sure if all of the furniture has quality left on them, but hopefully they do. And if not, then yeah. That's pretty much for my sticker collection. Of course, Vanilla Pecan Sweets. That was meant to be from my brother. And all my name tags. Especially ones that I happen to be in the bowling tournament. So I'm going to let go of these as well. Desk chair, I'm keeping the desk chair. Yeah, stuff like that. Anyway guys, yeah. Thanks for watching. Let's just show you an example of what they look like down here. And, yep, a bunch of my treasures I have in here. Oh, look at this. This is how I first started recording. I can't seem to get all the videos from that camera. Like, I keep hitting the convert button on my computer and never converts. I can never get those videos and all that. So I don't know if we'll ever find a place for these things. And as usual, my dad's probably gonna throw it away. One thing I'm excited to do is hook up my Blu-ray so I can watch movies on my Blu-ray. Yep, this is what my That's what they look like. That's what the movies look like in here. Packed up like this. This is an example of what they should look like. CDs and more CDs and blank discs. If you wanna. Oh, and my guitar. I'm keeping that. It's my Uncle Al's. And I don't want to show you all my drawers. This is my junk drawer on my dresser. And these are my pajamas. Nothing to see there. And as for this, sewing trunks. That's the example. Under white t-shirts. Alright then. Yep, I guess that's all I'll show you. Thanks. That's all I have to show you. Thanks again for watching. Go to my About page and follow my social medias below.